How to make a healthy diet for lower your cholesterol. What you shouldn't eat is as important as what you should eat. The FDA has finally admitted that trans fats are bad, after allowing them to dominate the market for years. Here are some ways to help you ditch trans fats and eat less processed food-like products. 1. When choosing fats and other foods, look for less processed options. 2. Shop around the edges of the grocery store and look for minimally processed items. 3. Buy real vegetables and fruit, fresh meat and dairy. 4. Learn to bake your own bread,